Hey guys, welcome to Drawing with Mrs. Alvarez. I'm Mrs. Alvarez and I have my assistant here, Lola, to help us pick something fun to draw today. So let's see what we have. First with our adjectives. Today we're gonna do
a yellow.
A yellow. Okay. A yellow.
For nouns.
For our nouns, a yellow.
Zookeeper.
Zookeeper. Okay. And what will he be doing?
Wait, did I pick two? No. Listening to music.
Okay. Today we are going to draw a yellow zookeeper listening to music. Okay, so let's think for a minute about how we're going to do this. Grab your supplies and we'll get started. Okay, you guys, we're going to draw our yellow zookeeper listening to music. Now, when I heard yellow zookeeper, I immediately thought of Curious George, the man with the yellow hat. So we're going to do something similar where we're just going to draw a zookeeper that's wearing sort of a yellow outfit, okay? And then we're going to draw headphones on them so that they are listening to music through their headphones. So to get started, let's draw a U towards the top of our page. Just like this. And then for the eyes, we can do two ovals. And you can draw a little circle in the middle. And if you're using a black pen, you can already color in the eyes, leaving that little white circle. That's like the little highlight of its eye. Okay. For their eyebrows, you can just do two curved lines like this. And for a smile, curved line like this, and another one underneath. And for teeth, you can just draw lines. Now, I'm going to make my zookeeper a girl, so I'm going to draw eyelashes. If you want to make yours a boy, you can skip this step, even though boys have eyelashes, but they don't like to draw them. So there's my girl zookeeper. I'm going to draw the headphones next, because they're going to go in front of the hair. So we're going to draw oval here, and an oval here. With two big upside down U's connecting. Right now they sort of look like earmuffs for when it's really cold outside. And then you're going to draw another oval inside of each of your little headphones here. Okay? So since I drew my headphones really close to my character's head, I don't even have to draw any ears because they're being covered by my headphones. But I will draw hair, obviously. Now, whether you want to draw a girl or a boy, the hair up here can look the same, okay? So if you're drawing a girl like me, you're going to follow along. And if you're drawing a boy, you're going to do this step also, okay? So you're going to draw a curved line like this. Kind of like a sideways S. And then another curved line going down like this. Now, if you're drawing a boy, this is all you have to draw for the hair. But if you're drawing a girl, we're going to draw more hair here once we draw her shoulders, okay? So now for the rest of the character, let's draw the neck, two straight lines, a curved line here for the beginning of her shirt, and shoulders. Remember, shoulders need to be wider than the head. This is one thing I see students doing all the time. They make very short or narrow shoulders. Make sure that they go wider than the head. Just a curved line, kind of like a J. Okay? Now, if you're drawing the girl, you can just draw a straight line like this. This can be the long hair. Now let's finish the shirt. We're going to draw 2 triangles here, right by her neck. This is like the collared shirt, the type that a zookeeper would wear. And we're going to continue the shoulders down a little bit more. This will be her arms, so you're just going to make this line a little bit longer. And then about here, so give a little bit of space for the arms. You're going to draw 2 lines like this. 1, 2. This is going to be her body, or his body if you're drawing a boy. They're both going to wear the same thing, so. Now draw a straight line connecting the 2 lines you just made. And for the shirt, let's draw a rectangle at the end of the curved line that we did. This is kind of like the shirt is folded up a little bit. Maybe we draw a line down the middle with some circles for buttons. Maybe even another U here. Let's draw a pocket. So a U with a line across, and then another straight line. Maybe we even write zoo. Z-O-O. Let's write zoo there. Now for her arm, we're going to go straight down to about here. So you want it to go a little bit further than the bottom of the shirt, but not too much further. And then you're going to draw your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a smaller one for the thumb. And then go back all the way up into the shirt. The other hand's going to look a little bit different. We're going to draw a straight line down. And then instead of drawing all of the fingers, we're going to draw the thumb. And then we're going to draw a curved line like this, almost as if she's wearing a mitten. And then all the way back up into the shirt. And then draw 3 lines here. Because we're actually going to have her holding something. We're going to draw a little animal down here that she's folding, that she's feeding, not folding. So we're going to draw a little bucket of food here after. So let's draw the shorts. We're going to draw a straight line down. Another straight line down on the other side. Straight line across. An upside down V. And another line across. So there's the shorts. For the legs, I'm just going to show you a super easy way to draw legs. We're literally just going to draw 2 long straight lines. We'll do that on both sides. Can't get any easier than that. For the shoes, I'm going to show you a really easy way to draw a pair of boots. Because usually zookeepers wear boots. So I'm going to draw a straight line down. Another one down towards the bottom of the page. Straight this way. And then a bump. Okay? So there's your really easy boot. So a straight line across. Straight line down for the back. Another straight line. And then a bump. And then just meet up with your other line there. Now laces can be kind of tricky, but I'll show you a trick for that too. If you know how to do the letter or the number 8, you're just going to do a number 8. That's the top part of your shoelaces, the part that's tied. And then you can just do X's. I'm going to do 3 X's. There's your boot. You can draw a line on the bottom, a straight line across. This is like the sole of the boot. And then one more line about the middle of her leg. These are actually going to be her socks. She's going to be wearing really tall socks, okay? Now, let's draw that bucket of food I was talking about. We're going to draw a curved line, jump over her hand, continue your curved line. So it's almost like she's holding a letter C or an upside down letter U. You're going to draw a straight line and a rectangle. There's her bucket. And I'm going to have a little fishtail hanging out. So draw a straight line up, a bump there, and then straight back into the bucket. Okay, now if you want to know what she's feeding, we're going to have her feeding a little penguin. So we're going to draw an oval. It's going to be the easiest penguin you're ever going to draw. An oval. You're going to draw a curved line like this. And then another one. Go all the way to the bottom. A V here. And then a V on the other side. These are its little fins. Let's do 2 circles. These are his little eyes. A triangle for his little beak. And then 2 little rounded shapes at the bottom for his feet. Maybe we want to show that he's really excited to get food, so he has a little heart here. He loves his zookeeper. One last detail, let's do some music notes to show that she's not wearing earmuffs, that these are actually headphones. So we're going to draw a straight line down with a circle at the bottom. We're going to do another type of music note, which is a line up, across, and down, with 2 circles at the bottom there too. Okay. Now what I always like to do in my drawing, we're going to do our background line. So just start a straight line here. Go until you hit something. So I hit the leg, I'm going to jump over again. I'm going to jump over my penguin. And there we go. So now I'm ready to color. I'm going to fast forward this part. So don't worry, you guys don't have to color as fast as I do. You color as slowly as you need to. But I'll tune back in afterwards to show you guys the finished picture, okay? Okay guys, there we go. Here's our finished picture of our yellow zookeeper listening to music. She's looking really happy, and so's this little penguin. He's excited to get his little fish. Thank you guys so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you guys back here again soon, okay? Thanks for coming. Bye. Don't forget to tag your artwork so that I can see all the amazing things you guys are making at home. I can't wait to see.